Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I want to show you how to make a quick ogbono soup. Ogbono soup is one of Nigerian delicacy. Let's get started. So for my ogbono today I'm gonna cook with goat meat and some fish. So I'm going to add this is my goat meat. I'm adding my goat meat into the pot. And then I'm gonna add, this is catfish, it's the bone and wash. And then a stockfish. So these are the protein I'll be using for my ogbono today. My turmeric, a teaspoon. Salt. Adding my salt, some water to boil my meat, seasoning, so this is my ogbono. I have 1 cup of ogbono here. To add some oil just to dissolve it. So I'm adding my rapeseed oil as usual. So I'm going to let it sit so I can mix. This is Nigerian pepper, chili pepper, Cameroon pepper and white pepper. I'm going to have this. And let it cook. Let me cook with the meat for a while before I add my ogbono. Water and bring back the ogbono to carry on cooking. Alright, we'll be cooking our meats and fish for some minutes now, for about 20 minutes. So it should be done by now. So I'll just check whether it's soft enough for me. I'm going to take out my ogbono. salt. The salt is okay for now, because I'm still gonna have the fish, the ground one. So let me just add my crayfish now. I'm gonna add as much as you want. Depends on whether you like crayfish or not. I like having a lot of crayfish in my soup. So sorry, I'm gonna mix together. Mix together and add my ogbono so that the meat can still carry on cooking. Because with ogbono, the more you cook, the better it tastes. So I don't want my meat to overcook. So I'm gonna add my ogbono now. My ogbono. You add your ogbono and you mix together. You add more water. Depends on how you want it. If you want it thick, the amount of water you add determine how you want it. So there's so many ways of making it. This is just one method of making ogbono. So I'm going to add more water. So I'm adding more water. You have instead of water, if you have meat stock or any broth, you can add. So as you can see, so I'm gonna add more water. There are lots of meat in it. So with this, we only use rapeseed oil. That's what we use. We use palm oil. But I'm trying to eat healthy, so most time I prefer to use that or avocado. So this is our ogbono. It's very easy to make. And 30 minutes, 45 minutes maximum, you're done. It's one pot stew. You just cook the meat in the pot and add everything in the same pot. It's very easy to make. So let me cook for a while. Like I said, the more you cook, the better it tastes. I'll let it cook for a while, and then I might add more salt or more fish seasoning later. I'm still gonna add more water as well. So some can also add a little bit of bitter leaf or any green veg that you want. I'm not gonna add it today because my husband does not like veg in his ogbono. So this is the way I'm gonna make it plain one, but you can go ahead and add your green veg. can have any green veg of your choice, just a little. But this is how to make ogbono. Add more water. Alright, we're tasting for salt. Perfect, just the way I like it, just the way I want it. So this is how to make ogbono soup. Ogbono soup. This is ogbono soup. This is ogbono soup. Alright. Ogbono is ready now. As you can see, ogbono is ready. Ready. So that is what we have for you today. Thanks for staying with me. Thanks for joining me. Hopefully you will try this with your family. This goes with either any Nigerian swallow we do, eba, pounded yam, amala, any swallow we do. So please subscribe to my channel and give this a thumbs up if you like it, and you can put any comments, any question you have on the comment section. Thank you so much for your love and support always. See you in my next video. Bye.